Welcome to this maths questions. Here we need to find x. So from the given expressions, that is square root of 20 plus square root of 20 plus x is equal to x. Let's see the solution of this given expression. So first we can write what is the given square root of 20 plus square root of 20 plus x is equal to x is given, right? And now here say the term 20, so here the term 20 is equal to u, so then we can write this equation, square root of u plus square root of u plus x is equal to x, right? So now taking square on both sides, if we take a square on both sides, then it will be here square root will be get cancelled from the square, so then it will be u plus square root of u plus x is equal to x square. Okay, so now, so this we can simplify again. Square root of u plus x is equal to u, I am taking this side, then right side, then it will be x square minus u. Again taking a square on both sides, right? Taking square on both sides, so now it will be the square root will be get cancelled from the square, and it is having a u plus x is equal to, so this is the formula a minus b whole square. Formula is a square, right? A square plus b square. So here square already is there, and square of square is of x to the power of 4, x square plus b square, so minus 2 into ab, so x square into u, right? And now if we again if we solve again, then it will be x to the power of 4, right? X to the power of 4 plus u square, then it is 2 u into x square, right? So now now this is we are solving, uh, solving if we take so this term I am taking right side, then it will be, and writing this first term u square minus u square minus 2, right? This I am writing 2 x square u, and plus x to the power of x to the power of 4, x to the power of 4, and this taking term this right side, then it is u minus u minus x is equal to 0. So this again if we simplify this one, then we'll be having here u square, right? And taking u square, and this x to the power of 4, again writing minus 2x square u, and minus u I am writing this side, then plus x to the power of 4 minus x is equal to 0, means I am writing x term one side and u term one side. And now, so this u square is equal to, if we take minus common, right? And u also common this side, right? Minus, if taking minus common and u common, then it will be it will be 2x square plus 1, and plus x to the power of 4 minus x is equal to 0 we are having. So this is in the quadratic equations. Here u square u is there, and this is the c term. So we can write we can solve this from the formula, that is u is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, because this we cannot factorize from the normal equations. So this equation we need to take. So here in these equations, a is equal to 1, and b is minus into square bracket of 2x square plus 1, and c is x to the power of 4 minus x, right? If we submit these value in these equations, we'll be having u is equal to, so here minus minus into minus it will be plus, then it is a square bracket of 2x square plus in the bracket of 2x square plus 1, So plus or minus of b square is here, minus will be get positive, and here we'll be having 2x square plus 1 whole square, and minus 4 a value is 1 into c value is x to the power of 4, x to the power of 4 minus x, so divided by 2 we are having. And if we solve this one again, we'll be having 2x square plus 1, and plus or minus, if we take the square of this one, then it will be 4x to the power of 4, and a square plus b square plus 2 into 2 into 2 4 4, then it will be 4x square plus b square. And here if we multiply this one, then it is 4 to the power of x to the power of 4 minus minus into minus plus, then it is 4x, so dividing by 2. And if we solve this one again further, so here term 4x to the power of 4 and 4x to the power of 4 will be get cancelled, and we'll be having 2x square plus 1 plus or minus. So here in the square bracket we'll be having, so 4x square plus 4x plus 1 we'll be having, right? So dividing by 2. And if we solve this one again, so then we'll be having u is equal to 2x square plus 1, so plus or minus of, so this square root of, we can write this equation in the form of 2x plus 1 whole square. So if we solve this one 2x plus 1 whole square, then the this values will be get, right? The meaning is same here. So now this, if we solve this one again, then here square root will be get cancelled from the square, and we'll be having this u is equal to 2x square plus 1 plus or minus of, here 2x plus 1 divided by 2 will be having. So it is having two equations, this question is having two equations, right? This will be having 2x square plus 1. Here we can take first term, first case plus 1, plus of 2x plus of here we can take 2x plus 1 divided by 2, and second case we write in the minus 2x square plus 1, so here minus 2x minus 1 divided by 2. And if we solve the first one, then we'll be having 2x square plus 2x plus 2, 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 2. And if we solve this further, then we'll be having 2, if we take common out, then we will be having the x square plus x plus 1 divided by 2. 2 will be get cancelled, and we'll be having the value, so u is equal to x square plus x plus 1. So submitting the value, so we know that we have taken u is equal to 20. Submit the value of u is equal to 20 in this equation. So as we have previously in the starting, we have considered u is equal to 20. So submitting this value, u is equal to 20 and x square plus x plus 1. So here if we take this one, then we'll be solving, so x square plus x, so 20 minus I am taking this side, then it will be minus 90 minus 20 plus 1 is, it is minus 90 is equal to 0. Okay, this we cannot solve from the normal equations, so this factorization we cannot factorize this one, therefore I am taking the value, we can solve this one minus b, so minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus ac divided by 4ac divided by 2a. So here a value is 1 and b value is 1, and c value is so c value is minus 19. So in the x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. In this we submit the value, so then it will be having x is equal to, so minus b value is 1 plus or minus of b, so here 1 square minus 4 into a value is 1 and c value is minus 19 divided by 2 into 1. And if we solve further this one, then x is equal to, so minus 1 plus or minus of, so 4 into 19 is it is minus minus plus, then it is plus 76 we'll be having divided by 2, then x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus of root of 77 divided by 2. So further it is having two values, so that one x is equal to minus 1 plus or plus square root of 77 divided by 2, and another value is minus 1 minus of 77 divided by 2. Here plus I am taking first and minus I am taking second. It is having two values. So here if we observe, so this second term is having high values than the minus 1. So therefore this is having the high values. So then it will be, this x value is less than 0. So we can observe, so here this second term is having high value, that is in negative. Therefore will be x value is 0. X value is less than 0. So x value cannot be negative. So this, therefore we can, this value is neglected. This value is neglected, or this value is rejected. Okay, because values will be finding always it will be positive. And if we observe this one, the first one, so the first one, right, so here, so minus 1 plus square root of 77 is 8.775, and here divided by 2, and then if we again solve this one, will be get the value 3.8875. okay, here we this is positive value, so we can consider this value, and we have to check this value is correct or not. So by submitting the value in the original equations. Okay, then we consider second, here second case. So first case we have been solved, we'll be solving second case. Then it will be u is equal to, so 2x square minus 2x, so 1 minus 1 will be get cancelled, then divided by 2. So u is equal to, so taking 2 common, then x square minus 1 divided by 2. 2 will be get cancelled, and will be having, so u value we know, u value is 20, and here 20 is equal to x square minus 1 will be having the value, right? So now, so x square, so here sorry, here so x square minus, this is minus x, sorry, this is minus x, therefore here x square minus of x. So now we need to find this value. So if we take this 20 this side, then x square minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. So this we can factorize from the normal equations. So here minus 20 x square, so, and if we multiply this one, then 5x into 4x, 5 4 is 20 minus 20 x square. If we add these two, then we'll be getting minus x, right? Then we can write this equations, x square minus 5x minus plus 4x plus 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. And now this right, so now okay, we can write this equation. So this equation we can write x, if I take x as a common, then it will be x minus 5, and here second term I am taking 4 as a common, then it will be x minus 5. 4 5 is 20 is equal to 0. Here x by x minus 5, x by x minus 5 is common, then I am writing x minus 5, and here x plus 4 we can write a single term, that is equal to 0. So then here 2, so here if we split this value, then we'll be having x minus 5 is equal to 0, and x plus x plus 4 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 5, and x is equal to minus 4. So negative value we cannot accept it, so therefore this value is rejected. So this value is rejected, so we'll be having two values. So x is equal to 5, and x is equal to 3.885. so if we can check the value, this x value is corrected, which one is corrected, then in the original equation, square root of 20 plus square root of 20 plus x is equal to x. So if we put this value, so if we put this value, the LHS is not equal to RHS. So right, so we considered x is equal to 5. If we put the value of x is equal to 5, then it will be square root of 20 plus square root of 20 plus x value is 5 is equal to x. Then it will be square root of 20 plus square root of 25 is equal to x. We know the square root of 25 is value is 5. Then it will be 20 plus 5 is equal to x, and the square root of 20 plus 5 is 25 x. Oh, sorry, this is not x, this is 5. This is okay, x value is 5. Okay, sorry. So the here we know that x value is 5, we are submitting. Okay, so here I'm writing the x value. So we have to write here x value as a 5. So here x value is 5. Okay, x value is 5. And so okay, we need to check LHS is equal to RHS. Then square root of 25 is 5. 5 is equal to 5. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, and the value is the x is equal to 5 is the correct value. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel for more videos. Please hit the bell icons for the notifications, and please do share with your friends. Thank you.